Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another Deepvue tutorial. Today I'll be walking you through how to access the extended hours charting here in the platform. And this is really useful when you want to dive into either pre-market or post-market data and have it plotted on your chart. First things first, we've got a chart of toast here. What you want to do is first navigate to an intraday time frame, either using a template or you can use this drop-down menu. Let's go to a 15-minute chart. And you can see that right now pre-market data is not being plotted. So what you want to do is right-click on the chart, or you can click this gear icon here to bring up your chart settings. And let's go ahead and click settings here, navigate to symbol. And then here is the magic drop down. You want to click this here and switch it from regular trading hours to extended trading hours. There you go. Now pre-market data is being plotted, and likewise for post-market, when the market is closed, you can flip this on and watch any action after the market as well. So again, what you want to do is bring up the chart settings, click that. And then change the session data point here. And you can also adjust the post-market background to make sure you're differentiating that price action from the regular market trading. So that's pretty much it for this quick video. Hopefully this helps. Before this, we did have it under this markets menu here. This now just controls the data columns and screening data. So that's kind of the key differentiation. If you want to watch pre or post-market extended hours chart action, what you want to do is navigate to the settings. If you want to adjust the data columns and screening data, you navigate to this markets menu and select what you would like. So hopefully this helps. Let us know if you have any questions down below, and I'll see you guys in future videos. Take care.